my dear students. Today we are discussing about free radicals. So free radicals are reactive oxygen species. Free radical are reactive oxygen species. So free radicals are reactive oxygen species. Free radicals is also known as reactive oxygen species. What is the definition of the free radicals? Free radicals is defined as a molecules or molecular species. Molecules or molecular species molecules are molecular species that contains one or more electrons, one or more unpaired electrons. Unpaired electrons and capable of independent extents. So molecules are molecular species that contains the one or more unpaired electrons presented in that particular compound is known as a free radicals or reactive oxygen species. So these are the what is the importance of the free radicals? The free radicals is converts to free radical molecules like oxygen molecule. Free radical oxygen molecule is converts to water by the reduction process or reduced oxygen molecule converts to water molecule. So what is the common features? What is the characters? What is the common features? What is the characters or what is the common feature? So what is the characters? It is a highly reactive and very short half-life, and it is a highly reactive, very short half-life, and as well as it can generate the new radicals. It can generate the new radicals by the chain process. And the next one, cause to biomolecules, cells and tissues. The free radicals is the cause the damage of biomolecules, cells and tissues. These tissues, biomolecules, cells are damaged by the free radical reactions. That is the characters. And the next one, these free radicals is the oxygen is converts to water molecules. So what is the free radicals? Free radicals molecules are molecular species that contains the one or more unpaired electrons are presented in their particular compound is known as free radicals or reactive oxygen species. So what is the source and generation of free radicals? What is the source? What is the source? So the sources, what is the sources? These are the sources is two types of sources are occurred in the considered in the two categories. So one is due to normal biological process, and number two due to environmental effects. So the environmental effects and normal biological process also sources of the free radicals. So what is the normal biological process sources? So leakage of electrons from the respiratory chain. Leakage of electrons from respiratory chain. From the respiratory chain leakage, it produces the free radicals. That's one is the number one. And in number two is the production of H2O2. Production of H2O2 or peroxide oxygen by the oxidase enzymes. By the oxidase enzyme. By the oxide, the production of H2O2 by the oxidase enzyme also one of the source for the production of free radicals. And number 3, due to chain reaction membrane lipid peroxidation. Due to chain reaction of membrane lipids. Due to chain reaction of membrane lipid peroxidation. And next, number 4, and production of nitric oxide. Production of nitric oxide. Production of nitric oxide from the arginine. From the arginine, one of the source. The next one, in the oxidation of heme to bile pigments. Oxidation of heme to bile pigment. Into bile pigment. So this is the normal biological processes sources. The next one, what is the environmental effects? What is the environmental sources? So as a result of the drug metabolism, examples, paracetamol. And the second one is the photolysis of oxygen by light. And the next one, and due to damage of causing by ionizing radiation. Causing of ionization radiation. Ionizing radiations. So example, X-rays and gamma rays and UV rays also. Example. The next one, and smoking. Smoking also one of the example for the environmental effects for the producing of free radicals, and alcohol and etc. So this is a sources of the free radicals. So the sources of the free radicals is the two types. One is the normal biological process, and second one is the environmental factors. So what is the harmful effects of the free radicals? So what is the harmful effects of the free radicals? Harmful effects. So what is the harmful effects of the free radicals? So it mainly, the free radicals are mainly affected on the proteins and protein metabolism, and the next one, lipids and lipid metabolism, and carbohydrates and etc. So it mainly affected on the protein metabolism, lipids and lipids, the next one carbohydrates, and as well as the nucleic acids. And nucleic acids nothing like DNA and RNA effects on particular these one compounds. So in case of protein, affected on the protein, affected on the amino acids, also affected on the genetic material, also lipids and carbohydrates, nucleic acids also affected by the free radical reactions. So the next one, what is the free radical diseases? Which type of diseases is produces? Which type of diseases is produces in the body? So first one is the cardiovascular diseases. And second one is the cancer, like a skin cancer and bone cancer. And third one is known as the inflammatory diseases. And fourth one is the respiratory diseases. And the next one, fifth one is the diabetes. diabetes. So these are diabetes and contract and male infertility, aging process, other different types of diseases is produced by the free radicals. So this is about free radicals. What is the free radicals? And the next one, what is the source of the free radicals, and what is the characters of the free radicals? What is the harmful effects of free radicals? Which type of diseases produced from the free radicals? That is our topic. So if you have any doubts, tomorrow we will discuss later.